Congratulations on receiving your STEM T4L Aeroponics kit. It's an extremely diverse learning tool that students and teachers are going to love. You've got the kit for 2 terms, so plenty of time to get in, grow, and make the most educational impact with your kit. The purpose of this video is to give you some tips and tricks on how to best implement your teaching and learning at your school. The team at AirGarden have put together some amazing units of work. There are some for a variety of stages, KLAs and faculties. You can find a link to this webpage on the STEM T4L Learning Library. We've included 2 microbits in the kit. This is a microcomputer that's able to measure conditions using sensors. It can easily be coded to capture data such as moisture levels, light, temperature, and how much water is left in your tank. For more information and some simple tutorials, you can watch the microbit videos that are part of this series. Before you begin planning your lessons, it's extremely important that you start thinking about which outcomes you'd like to achieve. Projects with a real audience and purpose get the most educational impact. For example, teachers might like to do an inquiry into the most sustainable way of growing produce. Perhaps your class could grow plants in soil and the air garden and compare the two using scientific method. Bring your maths in by measuring growth, collecting data and creating graphs. One of our pilot schools were learning about careers and used their fresh produce from their air garden at a restaurant for their community. All students were given a job from the farm to the table. Wrapping up the project, the experience was captured simply using a mobile phone, allowing this diverse project to connect with a larger audience and have further educational impact. During our Aeroponics pilot, we received feedback from teachers about how to best implement these lessons in the classroom. Here are some tips from those teachers who tried out the resources. The resources are fantastic, but if anything, maybe there's a little too much information available. Start off small and just choose 1 or 2 topics. Use these resources or follow your own inspiration based on your stage, your faculty, your project, your community. Incidental teaching opportunities arise often. For example, when dealing with pests, it would be great if you were flexible with your program and were able to make time for them. Try to tie the maintenance of the air garden into your lesson plans, giving the students the responsibility so that teachers are not left to do it all in their own time. Our favourite part of this journey has been seeing the creative ways that teachers have been using the air garden across their different school situations and stages. We'd love to see how your school is implementing the kit and allow other schools to draw inspiration from you. Please share your experience with us at the STEM T4L Learning Library or on our Facebook page. Have fun on your aeroponics journey.